looking pretty still.
Kia ora whanau! Good morning, gangsters. This is what we're saying.
We're frauds because we're from Australia, and we also
Take one.
don't have these. We've got the, what's it called? What is it?
Flavored ice cream.
Fruitae. We're just gonna try this.
Yeah.
Aren't there like 3 flavors?
Yeah.
Did you open that wrong?
No.
Oh, okay.
Dropping it. Alright, ready?
We'll put it down a bit more. There.
We're gonna try. I'm going first. Oh, you go first.
No, you go first. You go first.
That's alright, eh?
It's alright. Give me that. Oh, must be more than alright. You're still trying to.
Interesting. People G it up too much.
Oh, that was
What?
right okay.
That's me. Like it's nice, but
It's not amazing.
I'm trying to taste the peach. Is it peach? It's peach, yeah?
It's white chocolate on the outside, and it's like peachy ice cream on the inside.
That's why I just think the ice cream, so I can't taste it.
Why you want to try it?
While I try it?
Bite ice cream? Mm-hmm.
Try it, bite. No? No?
Shall we?
No.
Okay.
Hey,
Can you
Rowie.
see it?
No.
Okay. Show with Rowie. Rowie's turn.
Here, Chunky. Try.
He's like, oh yeah.
No, move your hand. Move your hand. Yeah.
His face.
What says thou? Yummy? More? Move your hand. Yeah. That yummy?
And what wants to know? What's it out of 10? Oh, fuck, 7.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 7. What do you give it?
Yeah,
Thank you.
Like 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah, like it's
This man said 7.5.
it's alright. It's just everyone talks it up like it's the best.
There's other flavors.
Yeah, but like they said, that one's the best one.
We'll be back with the other flavors that everyone said.
If we can find it.
We found this.
Anyway.
Where are we? New World.
New World.
We found this
Hamilton.
at New World. Okay.
Hillcrest.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.